Hong Kong International Airport na kami. Yes, it's about 6:40 or 7 na. No time difference from Philippines and Hong Kong. So, yes. Yan. So, dito kami ngayon sa Walkalator. Yan. So, punta kami ngayon sa immigration. And then, kunin yung baggage. And also, pupunta naman dun sa tour guide namin. So, may magsusunod sa amin. So, see you later guys. Update ko kayo. We're done at the immigration. So, I'm in Japan. Yan, pinila namin yung luggage. So, I'll be back later. Yan. So, dito pala number 3 pala yung luggage namin. Sabi kasi nung cabin crew kanina sa airplane number 5. Kanina pa kami naghihintay doon. So, andito na yung baggage. Okay, sila mama.
But this is a very good time for you to go to the theme parks. Okay, because the weather will be very good for the coming days. Now, one of the major activities in Hong Kong is called shopping. Okay, so if you want to go shopping, Hong Kong is a very safe city. Although tonight is a little bit late, but still, if you still want to go out, don't worry. We do not have gun robbery. We do not have night robbery. So even if you stay out late, you will be fine. guys, sasalubong kagad yung mga panda.
Here's the reception. We're going up. We're at the 16th floor. So, dito. Mirror. Hello guys! So, room tour tayo. Nandito na kami sa Panda Hotel. And we will be staying here at 4 days and 3 nights. So, let's have a room tour. So, this is the main door. And at the left is the bathroom. CR. Yan. So, we have a mirror here. Yan. Faucet. And then, toilet. And of course, my bathtub, guys. So, yan yung bathtub. And also the shower. Some towel here. Ayan. So, wala na. Sabitan lang. And then, of course, meron tayong life-size mirror at the right. Hi! We got 2 rooms. So, yan. Ito yung second room. Pero mamaya na tayo dyan. So, ito yung bed. And also, we have here some couch. Another couch here. I think meron ditong cabinet din. Saan yung cabinet? Here pala. So, we have cabinet here. Yan. So, some hangers. And then, safety box. Then, some cabinet below. Yun lang, guys. And then, we have TV. Another mirror. Yan. So, coffee. And then, we have blower. And, we have also telephone here. Ayan. And then, if we open this out, makikita niyo yung city. We have no balcony, guys. Pero, ayan, merong city view here.
Ato babayaran yun, no?
Yes.
Babayaran. Ibabawas din sa down
Okay,
payment.
so, we have here the second room. Siyempre, may aircon din. Ito yung aircon. And then, switch. Nescafe yan, ma. Okay, same room lang kami, guys. Ayan din. Same room lang. Meron din ditong ref, mini ref. Pero baka hindi namin magamit na to. Hindi na gumagana. Joke lang. So, yun guys. Same room lang yung aming kinuha. 2 rooms. Tapos, pwedeng i-combine using this door here. So, very, very nice. Very nice na for accommodation. Guys, we're going down para kumain. Medyo gutom na. And, hindi ako nagpilit ng damit. Pero nagpilit ako ng shoes. At sleeper ako. Ayun. So, yun lang. Wait lang guys. Kakain muna kami. We're going to McDo. Yun lang ang alam namin kainin, guys. Here's the street of Hong Kong. This is our first night here. And hindi namin alam kung saan kami kakain. Buti na lang meron dito mga familiar food store like 7-Eleven and McDo. Dito lang kami kakain. Magno-noodles kami. Yan. Ano ba talaga? McDo na lang. Para familiar. Ito yung McDo. Banto. Grabe, 10:35 na. Pero buhay na buhay pa rin ng ano ng Hong Kong. Ano nila? Try natin. McDo na lang? Mag-chicken ka na. McDo? So, dito kami kakain na lang para hindi kami magsisi. So, we don't know where we are exactly. Pero Chu something ang lugar. So, yun. Chuen Fu Street. Chuen Fu Street.
Pilipinas, noodles pa dito.
Hindi nila alam kung saan sila kakain.
Para makahigot lang sa... Tapos kain tayo ganito.
Mag-noodles na lang daw kami. So, here's our hotel, guys. Yan, dyan kami naka-check-in. Panda Hotel.
Ayoko nga.
Ayan, guys. Baka dito na lang kami kumain. Sa naunang nakita naming noodle food store. Para mainitan lang yung aming sigmura. Yan, dyan kami kakain. That's it, guys. Ito yung order namin. Tapos meron pa kami in-order na rice. Ito yung pala mga picture. Hi guys! We're back na dito sa hotel. And yun, mag-ayos na kami para makatulog na dahil tomorrow maga kami for our tour. Meron kaming city tour and half day Disneyland. Yan. So, kanina guys, dapat ano yun, iikutin namin yung town ni Joanne, pero hindi na kami pumunta kasi medyo delikado kasi parang may sumusunod sa amin kanina, so never mind. Ayun. And then kumain kami dun sa pinakita kong restaurant na parang mami siya, parang ganun. Tapos hindi ko naubos, sabi nung in-check parang gusto niyang ubusin ko pero I don't like na dahil I'm full already. Tapos yun lang. Yun lang. Tapos, nag-ice cream ako habang naglalakad. Yun lang naman. Pumunta kami ng, ano nga yun? 7-Eleven. Ayun guys, sobrang pagod na. And I need to end this vlog na. So, yun.
Saan toothbrush?
Nandun yung toothbrush.
Saan?
Nasa, pack. Yun na, mag-ayos na kami guys. So, yun. Naka-tour kami for Hong Kong. We got this one sa isang agency sa may Pampanga. And napakadami nangyari before this travel. Pero, at least natuloy siya. So, thank God. Yan lang guys. So, if ever, I link the information down below if you are wanting to have the tour kasi medyo cheap rin yung price niya dahil nagkaroon sila ng promo last year, tapos umabot ng January, then nakahabol kami. Yun lang. So, yun guys. I'll end this vlog na para makapaglinis and makatulog na. So, until tomorrow guys. See ya. Bye. Good night.